The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Good morning to you all. Sally, Patrick, Deepak, Dennis, James, Tim. Guys, good morning. Good morning. I know I missed somebody. Maybe not. Leo, good morning. Scott, Barry, Paul. Fellas, good morning. Today is Thursday, August 4th. David, good morning. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, August 4th. Doug, good morning. So, Doug, just to let you know, I generally don't start trials at the end of the week. Good morning, Mark. Becky, good morning. So you've kind of missed, obviously, the whole, the Monday I do the whole kind of presentation on what we do in the room and what you're going to see. So you've missed all that. So what I would ask is you just kind of take it all in today and tomorrow, and your trial will actually start next week, right? So your trial will begin in earnest Monday and end next Friday. Okay. I'm just being as we're Thursday, we're at the end of the week. I'm not going to go through, what in sum and substance, you're going to see the bot trades when they occur and order flow trades. Good morning, Roy. Roy, I sent you what you asked for yesterday, just to let you know. Presumptively, you received it. All right, guys. So coming into the session, the bots are up a pecuniary $85, and that's really due to Natty Gas. I had a trade on natural gas here, which went to first target. I did not have break even or trail on for some reason, and it didn't fill me at second target, and the two runners got taken out at the stop. Other than that, it would have been up. We'd have been up about 600, but be that as it may, bots are currently up $85, and we just got a short on the ES, which I'll bring over in a bit. We'll see what that does. We just traded into support, and I'll show you the charts. But in any event, let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts. I'll tell you what I think for today. Give you my opinion. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I trade a live account and may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Trades on currently. Natty gas short, crude long, ES short. Natty gas. God, the sunlight is terrible in my office right now. Natty gas needs to drop down below this 83.25, 23, this area here. If that swing goes at first target, it'll rip to all three targets. ES is There's first target on your ES bot. So target 1 is filled, ES bot. We should work down to 53. It should get second target. That's the point of control. Morning, Tom. Navy gas just missed. It actually hit first target and didn't fill first target. Complete peeve of mine. Crude's being obstinate at the moment. It is above VWAP. Crude needs to hold 98 or break above 91.31. Crude's going to fail. If anybody has any questions, please holler. Crude is out. Done with crude. Natural gas hit target 1 and didn't fill it. Guys, the sunlight is so bad in my office right now. I can't even tell you. I actually like natural gas longs. Unless this drops quickly back below 20, 83.20. ES first target only. Good morning, Ozzy. Natural gas is going to pop up above 54. It probably goes 389.90. Damien, good morning. Very good morning. This here, if you guys are in front of your screens when you see this, we hit a target and it doesn't fill. That's where I usually close trades. We do have 8:30 news. I know we have continuing and initial jobless claims. Let's see what else we have. That's it. Disinterested in that. Care less about that. Natural gas inventories today. Damn it. If ES drops below 57, it's coming down again. Oh, thank you, Damien. Let's see here. What did you say? Does your bot take into account? No. It's based on multi-time frames of moving averages. Slow morning, guys. Slow morning. Man, I got to wear sunglasses in my office this morning. It's that bad. Come on, gas. Dump. Go puke. Slow and slower, fellas. Slow and slower. Put paint on the wall and see which happens fastest. Paint drying or these things going to targets. Still missed first target. Did that hit again? Hit it again. First target hit again. We know what support is, right? If it breaks that first target, she should come down pretty good. Morning, Johan. Everyone is good, David. Everybody is good. Thank you. I mean, fellows, when I tell you there's nothing moving, there's nothing moving. I am very leery of where we're at. Now this thing went long. This thing is just killing me. Natural gas is just chopping, guys. I'm going to shut this bot off. It is inventory day. I've shut natural gas off. We're pressing resistance at 4160 on the ES. Yep, Doug. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to go get, this is just terrible. I'm just going to go get coffee. There's Target. Seen on Fox at DeSantis' office to make major announcement today. Uh-oh, Florida could lose DeSantis. Go to a smaller time frame here. That would be awesome. DeSantis president and Trump governor of Florida. That'd be awesome. 10 a.m. This is just dingleberrying around, guys, doing nothing. Yes, nothing. Crude, you probably can get along at 91.03. Let's take a look at crude. Yeah, we're trading up into a rising 68. We may fail here on NASDAQ. Yeah, crude long. If we break through here, we're going up on crude. I'm going to try a crude long here, fellas. Right where it is. Come on. Not yet. Not yet. Now. Target 1 is 17. Target 1 is 17. Small sellers, 2 sellers. Come on, pop here. If this pushes up through, it goes. Should go. Got to, what, 12? 12? Morning, Nick. Slowest 12 ticks in history. All right, target one is filled. Target one is filled. Out on Nasdaq, guys. On the runner. If we get up through 34, just above the 68%, my target is 91.60. 91.60. Trade any runners as you see fit. So I put a target up at 91.60. I'll adjust that a little bit. Let's call it 52. With a stop, 82. You can try a NASDAQ long if you guys want to take a small NASDAQ long here. 16 may be your first target. If we break out above 17.5, 18, we'll go 33. A little bit of resistance right here on a 5-minute, but natural gas, I missed it, is a short. Damn it, at 35. I missed the short at 35, but it is a short. Doop-de-doo. I'm not saying it's slow, fellas, but it's pretty slow. Come on, get up through that 20. Let's go. Good morning, Amin. Anybody take NASDAQ? You have your first target. If you took NASDAQ, now it's a free trade. Anybody take it? Okay, Brad. Next target is about 32. 32, fellas. Okay. This crude is a waste of time. It's like a doop-de-doo trade. I think it's been this, what, up? It's hit 20, I guess. 19 from 5. A big deal. 14 ticks. All right, guys, I'm shutting bots off. Yeah. Come on, crude, break it up. Looks good to me. Held stop. For now. Out on the runner. Net loss of $100. That's the baloney before the move up. Here it comes right back. I may hit this again, fellas. That was the stop run. 91.02. See this. Try this one more time. First target at 18. First target at 18. Come on, buyers. You can get aggressive and go 25 if you want on the first target. There's target 1 at 18. Told you that was the bullshit stop run. That's all that was. Bullshit stop run. Yeah, I know, Dennis. I'm aware. Got to get through 34. Final target 58. Anybody take it again? Anyone try it again? A target. I mean, we got second, first target twice. Just a pain in the arse. Typical Deepical. Pulled these lower. I mean, I don't see why we don't get to 60. Nice job, John. Nice job, Josh. Daily goal in. If I get one more 15 range candle here, my stop will go to break even. I'm watching it. 84 would be the real stop for me. But if I can get one more candle here, so the bottom of that is 09 and 15 is 20. At 24, I'll move my stop to break even and leave it at 24, assuming we get there, because I'll get a new 15 range. I'm going to put it at break even. It's at break even. If it takes me, it takes me. Okay, out. First target. First target twice only on crude, but ticks is ticks, fellas. Ticks is ticks. All right, guys. It's 8:59. I'll be taking my breakfast break here momentarily. Anybody have any questions? Came down on the NASDAQ. We held that my first area of support. 34 is the target, 32 to 34. Nice job, Mark. Yeah, absolutely. Listen, I'll take $100 trades. I'll take them all. I'll take $50. They want to give me $50. I'll take $50. I don't turn down money. All right, guys. I'm going on breakfast break. I'll be back in 20 minutes or so. Come on, push. One more. One more, baby. One more. Hit it the first time. Come on. Don't fail here. Sold one. Holding one. Flat. 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 We're struggling. We failed yesterday's high. I'm flat. Okay? I'm flat. You guys good? Everybody good? Now we're going to break out. You scum. Guys? Okay. If we break out above yesterday's high, we're failing at that just above yesterday's high. Flat on the delta. Still think we're going up. Got to get above. What's your number, Greg? 20? Yep, 20. So close to breaking out. It's all right. We're hourly longs, but 10-minute shorts unless we get above 23 or so. Watch the candle close below VWAP. No bot trades yet. There's your candle close below VWAP. First target is 71. 71 if you're short. There it is, 71 target hit. Stop break even, free trade. Next target down 252. 252. 252. Stop is break even. If ES is going to crater, NASDAQ is going to crater, we need to get out of this flop. I've got to get below one standard deviation. Guys, this is what we talked about at the onset, right? After yesterday's big move, market is consolidating. We have non-farm payrolls tomorrow. I think you can buy 4130 SPX puts, 4130 SPX puts now, 4130s. 4130 SPX puts. I think that's where we're trying to get to. $450 contract negative delta. If we drop below 242, it's on a 10-minute bar. This is going to be probably hit. NASDAQ back above VWAP. You can take a whack again. Candle close. NASDAQ's holding a support area, guys. It's really not breaking down. It's not breaking up. Yeah, I don't think we're going very high here. 500 net sellers. I don't think we're going anywhere but lower. We failed yesterday's high just above. Hourly, we have an hourly break of support. My 10-minute is trying. Well, candle close. There's your long again on NASDAQ. But I don't dig it. YM's getting a bounce. Russell, not so much. There you go, fellas, on your NASDAQ. If you're long NASDAQ, target one is 305. 305. There it is. 305. Now it's free trade. We're back up into yesterday's high. Still hanging out. 300 contract negative delta. It's on the cusp of trying to break up. We could go hourly up. If you're long NASDAQ above VWAP, you got target one off and you have a break even trade. If we get above this area here, we're going to go. We should go from here. Come on. No. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go to 40. 35, next level up. 34, 35. If we get above 15-minute high at 23, we're going back into the day highs above 23. Got to get above 23. We go, it's 15-minute resistance right there. So there you go, fellas. Almost. Come on, 23. 23, not 18. If you are long from above VWAP, you have a freaking monster, a monster trade. Monster. There's our break. 15-minute breakout. 37's target now. Next target is 37. 37. Come on. One more 30 range candle and we pop it. Come on, buddy. Push. Come on. Come on. There we go. Like a pimple on a 16-year-old, fellas. Come on. Oh, come on. Back test. I don't like the lack of volume. We could pull back to 86 on the NASDAQ. So if you're long from above VWAP, move your stop to 05. 05. We could drop right back down to 86. Everybody good? Is everybody good? Yeah, my ES spot is long. All right, there's our 37. There's our 37. If we break out above 356, above 356, if you're holding longs in the NASDAQ, this thing is going to go haywire. First losing SPX trade I've had. She got all day. We're not breaking out yet. We only have 500 buyers, guys, on the NASDAQ. I still think NASDAQ's coming back to 86. We'll see. Unless we break out now above 56, we're stuck in this area to maybe 42, maybe, which is 2 standard deviations. ES bot is in a trade, but has not gone to target, even target 1 yet. NASDAQ has not taken a trade. Above, it'll definitely close above 4,100. 4,100 or 4,200? Ah, that's easy money. My NQ bot has not taken a trade since the market opened. No, not yet. On the Unirenko, it's not possible. Coming back to 86. Since 9:30, you've had three trades. Your bot is, you got the wrong settings. No. Nice job, Mark. Up 1,900. Nice job. Yeah, I guarantee you, Greg, you have something different than I do. It's always the user. It's not the bot. There's no way you could have 3 trades and I have none. It's impossible. What's that mean? Doug, what's that mean? There comes, I think we come back to 86. Yeah, I know you agree with me. Every time somebody tells me I'm wrong, they go, oops, you're right. Yeah, George has no trades on the NQ bot. Problems with the keyboard and chair. Exactly, Doug. Guys, we're still trying here. We have 70 net buyers. I just cannot get long again. I cannot. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm nicely green. Yeah, so Joe said there's 3 trades if you've turned the filter off. So I don't trade without the filter. $86 is where this is wanting to come, guys. 86. And that should hold out on that ES bot trade. So now tell me again about those SPX calls, how it's a losing, or puts, how it's a losing trade yet? 20 minutes into this. If we break down below on the ES, if we break below 50, she's going to get wahooed. She's going to get wahooed. NASDAQ not holding that zone at all, guys. We're back into yesterday's close. If this area breaks, yeah, we're going to break down, guys. I foresee terrible trouble, but I stay here just the same. Ain't no buyers. There's no buyers. 50 is what breaks, and that's the end for the ES. It's trying to hold that 50. It bounced off it again. NASDAQ, I'm not trying a long on a move above VWAP this time. It's trading up into resistance at 93. What I'd like to see what I'd like to see here now is another roll back down below VWAP, and I'll sell it on the candle close. Nice job, Patrick. Got another funded trader, fellas. This is they sell them, they buy them, they sell them, they buy them. There's just no general direction. There are trades, but there's no real direction. Candle close below. If we get below 81 again, we held basically yesterday's close, but it looks to me, aside from the obvious chop, that this wants to break down again. You can adjust your CL chart. Let me go to a bigger time frame. Yeah, NASDAQ really needs to break down below 244, and it gets wahoo. Watch the close. Watch. Well, Got a whopping 200 net buyers, guys. Whopping. Whopping 200, 160. God dang. This is another breakout here. If you guys want to try it again above that 23. Still can't do it. 320 net buyers. If we hit the high, we're going to find a ton of buyers if we can get a trade to run up there. Almost got to be long. I'm waiting for the next 10-minute bar. I've got hourly longs and I've got 10-minute longs. I'm waiting on the next 10-minute bar in a few seconds here. 22 seconds. So I've got 144 net buyers. Eesh. Everybody shot themselves yesterday. 2, 1, 0. New bar. I'm going to try a long right here at 05, 6. Small long. I'm long 5.25. You scum. Come on. It's got to bounce back above 9. I'll be out momentarily. I'm out. I'm out, boss. I'm out. I will sell it back below VWAP, though, on the candle close. Now we're just chopping. Back to a small negative delta, 160 contracts. ES starting to break again. Back to my 4-5. God dang it. We got above 9. if this is going to go, it's got to get above 24. This just has no mojo anywhere, guys. No mojo. It's got to get above 24 for this to go. Break above 24, this can go. First hurdle is 25, maybe. It got to 24. 25 goes. This will pop. This could pop all the way back up to 41. It's got to get above 25. There's 25. There we go. Now we got to get above 39. Oh, 41. Okay, Greg. Why the fudge is my gold bot not taking trades? It didn't take a trade again. It missed the short. It just missed the long. Oh, what an idiot. I didn't have an ATM on. I missed two big trades on gold. 43.25 on NQ. Yeah, it's trying. 400 buyers again. It's trying. Maybe back down to 86. I mean, it's sloppy, but we're longs, guys, on the hourlies, and we're longs on the 10 minutes and smaller. So I'm longs. It's just a pain in the neck hold. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. 1 minute. I'm back, guys. Motherless piece of shoot. I'll hit it again if it comes drop back down below 82. I know it was you, Greg. I know. It's rarely the bot. It's always the operator, myself included. I missed 2 gold trades, huge gold trades. And it never, I mean, I looked at it the first time. And then when it just missed this monstrous long, I had to look at it again. I didn't have an ATM on. That's why the trade didn't fire, either one. Operator error. Right back above VWAP. No, I don't like the price action either today. It's terrible. We talked about this when we came in the room, though. We talked about it. After yesterday's big move, this is not uncommon. I sold it again, 83.75. 83.75. I sold it again in that candle close. There's 10 handles. This should break down to 63, fellas. This should, okay, so here's first target. It got my first target for my first trade, right? That was my first target, 71. Next target down is 64. If you're short, 64. And we are setting up for, potential bigger move, lower. Hourlies are working down above 38, maybe 37. This is going to get walloped. First target only again. I'm not going to take longs. If you want a long, it's here, 98, 98 half. 98 half with a first target at 9. I mean, we're trading for ticks here, fellas. There's no trade. No real trade. It's trying to die. Can't find buyers up top. There we go. 63, 64 next target. Held 70 again. I think we have to come lower. I think we have to come lower. We couldn't find buyers on 2 attempts higher. Here we come. 63 is your next level down. Below that, fellas, below that, 52.53. Below 63, 53. I mean, such a small, dinky range. There's 53. Next level down, 45, then 36. 45, then 36. All right, now we're picking up some juju on the downside. 45, then 36. There's 45. There's 36. Anybody short? Got him that time. Tell me. All right, Gary. How are you liking them 4130 puts now? Yeah, ES is coming. We can't buy buyers, or we couldn't find buyers higher up. This is just a bounce off the bottom of another zone, but a break below 27. This is just a small bounce back to short. Nice job, Ozzy. I don't take no losses on SPX. I've had some losing option trades, but I don't believe I've had a losing SPX trade. It's just a really slow market. Now I'm just holding for the free ride. Thank you, Ryan. All right, guys. Can we get 150? Somebody tell me where the ES is. Oh, 4137. How about them 4130 SPX puts? Booyah, baby. Boom, boom. Chop, chop, chop. Money, money, money. We're at 3 standard deviations. This is going to be a tough break here. But if it breaks, this could get walloped. I don't think we come down much lower yet. Maybe. We're at 2,300 net sellers. 2,200, working on 23. 23 now working on 24. Come on, give me $1,000 runner. $1,000. Come on, baby. 50 handles. Let's go. Come on. Come on. All right, I'm out. I'm done. Flat. We're not breaking this 3rd standard deviation yet. Is everybody good, fellas? You're up 50%, almost 60% on your 4130 puts. Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit. Okay? You're on your own from here. Hold them for $100, sell them at 50, 60%, your prerogative. Anybody take the, I know Gary took them. Okay, Barry. Okay. Trade them as you see fit. All right, guys. Long Q. Okay, you have QQ puts. Nice. I mean, you're going to get, look, I'm going to show you the levels again. This industry is a sea of largely scum. Okay, Gary. Most of these rooms do not trade. 99% of them, no exaggeration, do not trade. They don't trade a live account, and they do not trade. They do not. They can't trade. If they even, and even if they do it in sim, most of them do not. Some of them do. They trade sim. Some of them will lie and say they trade a live account. They don't. I'm telling you, they don't. I've been doing this for 10 years. They're full of shit. Do you know how many emails I've sent to rooms offering them to trade Yeah, absolutely. I'll show my screen. Trade head to head live, and they don't do it. With me trading a live account, I'm managing trades and talking to you guys at the same time, and I may miss questions or whatever the case may be. But would you rather be in a room that trades the methodologies that he's teaching? There's target 1 on the ES. We might end up green yet. Would you rather be in a room where the person that's teaching you to trade actually can trade and is trading the same trades and the same things that he's teaching? Tomorrow is the last day of the week. As a reminder to members, especially new members, the current room link will expire tomorrow at the close of the room. The current room link expires at the close of the room. So you will have to, I will then do a new link tomorrow. Have it put in the member area, and you will have to log in sometime prior to Monday morning at 8 a.m. to get registered for the next 2-week segment. Okay, guys? Come on, get that second target. Come on, big guy. Come on. Get above VWAP and go. So you see how one stupid mistake, guys, can change your day? That gold bot alone, it hit target, didn't fill me. Come on. There it is, second target filled. That gold bot alone, I would have been up over $2,000 today on the bots. As it is, I'm now up $100 with this runner on. One stupid trade. One stupid trade. Or one stupid mistake. That's all it was. One mistake. Does anybody have any questions, guys? Nah, hell, I made a lot of money. I had a good day, man. I'm good. I'll be over $2,000 for the day. I'm fine. Not bad for 3 hours work, brother. There you go. Macaroni and cheese, man. Breakfast of champs. Thank you, Albert. Yes, Sharon, I am. Yeah, exactly, Don. Ed, who's speaking? Which speaker? I won't be around, guys. My daughter's in town, so I'll be. Oh, Mester, Dove. They won't say anything I wouldn't think to roil the markets. Dove. Long as it ain't Brainerd. Brainerd will say, all right, guys, there's the day. 150. I have 2 daughters. Yeah, I have 2 daughters. They are daddy's girls for sure. How old are they, Stephen? I can tell you, especially with my oldest daughter, we'll go with plus 150 on the day. Boys 23 and 26, a lawyer and chiropractor. Very nice. Congratulations. My oldest son is director of alumni affairs at University of Oklahoma.